Curious about the mysteries of deep space? Strange signals from far beyond Earth have puzzled scientists for years, and some even hint at extraterrestrial life. In 2007, a team of astronomers led by Dr. Duncan Lorimer detected an unusual high-energy burst of radio waves from a galaxy 3 billion light-years away. Known as the Lorimer burst, this fast radio burst, or FRB, was the first of its kind to be discovered. This was huge. The signal was unlike any other cosmic event ever recorded, as it was much more powerful than typical radio waves from stars, and scientists could not explain its origin. That's the spooky part. Where did this come from? The burst lasted only a few milliseconds, but its intensity led to wild speculations, including theories that it could be the result of a collapsing neutron star, or even, you guessed it, extraterrestrial activity. Now, despite ongoing research, no one's been able to pinpoint its exact cause or location, keeping the mystery alive. The WOW signal. On August 15th, 1977, radio astronomer Dr. Jerry Ehman was reviewing data from the Big Ear Radio Telescope at Ohio State University when all of a sudden he comes across a peculiar signal. Now, the signal was a sharp, intense burst of radio waves that lasted 72 seconds, unlike anything the telescope has ever picked up before. Now, Ehman was so shocked by the anomaly that he circled the signal on the printout and wrote "wow" right next to it. Now, despite extensive follow-up observations, the signal was never detected again, leading some to speculate that it was a potential communication from extraterrestrial civilizations. The WOW signal remains one of the most famous and also baffling discoveries in the search for alien life, as no natural source has ever been identified. Fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs as I mentioned earlier, are one of the most mysterious phenomena discovered in recent years. It was first detected in 2007, so it's quite recent. Now, these brief but incredibly powerful bursts of radio energy only last milliseconds and originate from deep space, somewhere out there. Now, what makes FRBs particularly perplexing is their high energy, suggesting that they come from some extremely powerful cosmic event, such as a collapsing star or a neutron star merger. However, some scientists speculate they could also be a form of communication from alien life. Now, given the peculiar and unexplained nature of these signals, it's hard to say which is which. As more FRBs are discovered, with several repeating signals adding to the intrigue, they continue to challenge our understanding of the universe. Where are these? Where do they come from? Will we ever find out? The galactic plane signal. In 2015, astronomers working with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory detected a strange and unexplained signal coming from the galactic plane area of the Milky Way, containing many of our galaxy's stars. Now, the signal, which was highly concentrated and unusually strong, was unlike typical cosmic radio emissions, leaving experts to consider, could this be a form of communication from an advanced alien species? While most believe the signal was a natural occurrence, like a stellar flare or interference from a satellite, something along those sorts, the unusual nature of the emission has sparked ongoing speculation about the potential for intelligent life beyond our planet. Now, until further investigation proves clarity, the galactic plane signal remains a massive enigma. The perplexing signal from Proxima Centauri. In 2019, astronomers working with the Breakthrough Listen initiative, they detected a peculiar and repetitive radio signal emanating from Proxima Centauri, our closest neighboring star system, only 4 light-years away. I say only 4 light-years as if that's close. It's not at all. The signal, which was narrowband and unlike any typical cosmic noise, was initially exciting because of the possibility that it could be a sign of alien life. Now, Proxima Centauri is known to have an Earth-like planet in its habitable zone, which only increases the intrigue. Could it be them? Are these our neighbors? Neighbors from far away? While the signal was ultimately dismissed as interference from Earth-based equipment or other natural sources, the repeating nature of the signal really raises questions about its true origin. The discovery added to this growing list of unexplained signals from space, keeping the door open to the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. The blip from Kepler Space Telescope. In 2011, NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, which was tasked with searching for exoplanets, they recorded a strange signal that scientists dubbed the Kepler blip. Now, the signal, which lasted for a few days, was unlike anything observed in the behavior of stars ever before. Its unusual characteristics led some to propose that it might have been caused by an alien megastructure, such as a Dyson sphere, which could theoretically harness the energy of a star. Down here on Earth, we only have Dyson vacuums, so maybe we'll get there one day. While the leading explanation for the signal was that it was caused by a cloud of dust or an unforeseen stellar phenomenon, the brief and unexplainable nature of the blip has many speculating. The Kepler blip sparked imaginations and of course fueled further interest in the idea that we might one day find evidence of this advanced extraterrestrial technology that we've been hinted at this whole time. Even if it's just a faint signal among the stars, we need something. The BLC-1 signal. In 2020, astronomers working with the Breakthrough Listen initiative, they discovered an intriguing signal coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, a star system close to Earth. Now, the signal, known as BLC-1, was an unexpected narrowband radio emission that had all the characteristics of a potential technological signal. While it's much too early to conclude include its origin, and most experts suggest it could be radio interference. It could be. The proximity of Proxima Centauri to Earth makes it pretty exciting. Proxima Centauri is known to have a planet in the habitable zone, which I mentioned, which of course only adds to the speculation about this potential for other alien life. The signal's discovery continues to captivate both scientists and enthusiasts alike. The pulsar signal from the outer solar system. In 2018, a strange signal that resembled the rapid pulses of a pulsar was detected by the Arecibo Observatory. Now, the signal came from beyond our solar system, as many of these do, and while its source was unknown, its characteristics pointed to something that wasn't just random noise this time. The pulsar-like signal repeated itself in a pattern, but it did not match the typical behavior of a pulsar. Given its regularity and unfamiliar characteristics, some researchers speculated that the signal could be evidence of a new kind of astronomical phenomenon. While the exact cause was never confirmed per se, the signal was intriguing enough to prompt further investigations and theories about its origins, ranging from astrophysical objects to, you guessed it, potential alien technology. The Arecibo Message Echo. In 1974, scientists used that same Arecibo radio telescope to send a deliberate message towards the globular star cluster M13. This time we're sending the message out. Question is, did anyone receive it? The Arecibo Message, as it was called, was designed to be a beacon that could one day be received by extraterrestrial life. At some point, millions of light years away, in 2001, another mysterious radio signal was detected from the same direction near the same location that the message was sent. Although scientists quickly dismissed it as a natural phenomenon, the eerie coincidence sparked questions. Was this the first response from an alien species, or was it just an incredible case of interstellar coincidence? This odd signal remains an unsolved mystery, leaving us to wonder if there might be someone out there who actually received our message. We come in peace. I promise we come in peace. Please don't abduct us. The S-band mystery. In 2001, a mysterious and powerful radio burst was detected in the S-band frequency by NASA's Deep Space Network. Now, the signal came from an unknown source, and this time it lasted for 30 minutes. The strange thing about the signal is that it was repeated in a rhythmic pattern, and scientists had trouble identifying the exact cause. Most believe it's a form of interference from Earth-based sources or an artifact from the satellite network, but others, like me, wonder if it could be something more intriguing, like say signs from an extraterrestrial civilization. That would be something. To finally get a response after this many years, we're here, we're ready for you. Despite years of analysis, the S-band mystery has never been fully explained, only adding to this growing list of unexplained radio signals from space. From black holes to gamma ray bursts, Hawking highlighted several cosmic threats that could one day impact Earth. Join us as we take a deeper look at these terrifying phenomena and the potential risks they pose to humanity's future. Number 10. Black holes. Black holes are one of the universe's most fascinating and mysterious events ever, formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. Now, this creates a region with such intense gravitational pull that not even light itself can escape. Stephen Hawking's theory of Hawking radiation suggested that black holes could eventually lose mass and then evaporate. However, if black holes don't dissipate quickly and continue to grow by consuming nearby matter, they could pose a cosmic threat. A large or nearby black hole could potentially tear apart entire solar systems, making their unpredictable nature a significant concern for astrophysicists, and of course, us here on Earth. Number 9. Gamma ray bursts. Gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, are incredibly powerful eruptions in space, releasing as much energy as the sun will emit over its entire life. Now, these bursts often occur when massive stars collapse into black holes or when two neutron stars collide. Though rare, Hawking warned that a GRB occurring near Earth could strip away the ozone layer, exposing the planet to harmful ultraviolet radiation. This could lead to widespread damage to ecosystems and even mass extinction. While the likelihood of a GRB affecting Earth is low, the potential consequence makes it a serious concern in cosmic risk assessments. Number 8. Alien civilizations. The possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life has captivated humanity for centuries, but Stephen Hawking had a unique and somewhat cautionary perspective on that matter. While he agreed that the discovery of alien civilizations was plausible, he warned that encountering them could be more dangerous than beneficial. Hawking suggested that advanced civilizations would likely have technology far beyond ours, which could make humans seem insignificant in their eyes. So in some cases, this could lead to exploitation of Earth's resources or even human conflict, especially if humanity's actions were perceived as a threat to their specific way of life. He compared the potential discovery of aliens to the historical encounters between European explorers and indigenous populations, which often resulted in exploitation and violence. Now, given humanity's own history of colonization, Hawking feared that contact with aliens could lead to our civilization being overtaken entirely. While we might dream of peaceful exchanges with ET, Hawking's warning was rooted in the caution that such encounters might mirror the darker side of human history, where advanced societies have typically exploited those less advanced.
Sir, he doesn't have much time. Alright, okay, finally, tell me, what is this other threat?
Number 7. Dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance making up about 85% of the universe's mass. Though it doesn't emit light or energy, its gravitational effects do shape the cosmos. Stephen Hawking believed that understanding dark matter was crucial for uncovering hidden forces that govern space-time. Its nature remains unknown, and if it's interacting with visible matter in ways we don't yet grasp, well, it could disrupt everything we know about physics. This enigma challenges our understanding of gravity, dark energy, and the future of the universe, making dark matter one of astrophysicists' greatest unsolved puzzles. Man, now I'm thinking about gravity. I'm like, what is gravity? Why are we here? What's going on?
We don't know what that is either. We call it dark energy. So if dark matter and dark energy combined make up 97% of what's going on in the universe, we have no clue what either of those are.
Number 6. Solar flares. Solar flares are bursts of energy from the sun that can disrupt Earth's technology, affecting satellites, GPS, and even power grids. Stephen Hawking warned that a strong flare could cripple modern infrastructure, cause chaos, and expose astronauts to radiation. With our reliance on space-based systems, it's crucial to monitor solar activity and prepare for these extreme events, just in case. The unpredictability of solar flares means we must remain vigilant and ready for potentially devastating impacts on communication and daily life. Yeah, that means no Wi-Fi. Can't watch this video, can't give it a thumbs up, that's for sure. That'd be a pretty lousy life, right? Number 5. Asteroids. Asteroids are of course a serious threat to Earth, with the potential to cause mass extinction similar to the event that wiped out the dinosaurs. While we have systems to track near-Earth objects, large asteroids could still go unnoticed. Stephen Hawking stressed the importance of developing technologies to prevent or even deflect such dangerous asteroids. It's giving Armageddon. Advancements in space exploration and monitoring are crucial for planetary defense, ensuring we can protect ourselves from future asteroid impacts. I mean, that would be the way to go, right? Just nice and quick, big asteroid, that's fine. I'd rather that than we melt slowly. Number 4. Cosmic strings. Cosmic strings are hypothetical defects in space-time that could have formed during the early moments of the universe. Now, these one-dimensional objects, if they do exist, they could stretch across vast distances and cause extreme gravitational disturbances. This happens in Interstellar, how cool. Hawking warned that if cosmic strings were real, they could pose a significant threat to the fabric of space-time. Their gravitational effects could tear apart galaxies, stars, and even entire solar systems. If two cosmic strings were to collide, the resulting disturbance could create a ripple effect, potentially destabilizing everything in that path. While cosmic strings remain theoretical for now and have not been directly observed yet, the possibility that they exist mean that scientists must consider their potential effects on the stability of the universe. The search for cosmic strings continues to be a fascinating yet haunting area of study, with implications for our understanding of the universe's creation and evolution going hand in hand. Number 3. Supernova. A supernova is the eruption of a massive star, releasing vast amounts of energy and matter into space. While rare, Stephen Hawking warned that if one did occur near Earth, it could have catastrophic effects. The intense radiation from a nearby supernova could alter Earth's atmosphere, increase cosmic radiation, and disrupt the magnetic field, potentially making life harder to sustain. Supernova have been linked to past mass extinctions, and their impact could radically change Earth's environment. Hawking emphasized the importance of studying supernovas to assess potential cosmic threats. Number 2. The expanding universe. The discovery that the universe is expanding, first observed by Edwin Hubble, has reshaped our understanding of cosmology. However, at the rate of which the universe is expanding is accelerating due to a mysterious force called dark energy. Hawking proposed that if this expansion continues at an ever-increasing rate, it could eventually lead to a catastrophic event called the Big Rip. Now, in this scenario, galaxies, stars, even atoms would be stretched apart by the ever-accelerating expansion. While this event is billions of years away, thankfully, Hawking's theory painted a bleak picture for the fate of the universe, suggesting that even the fabric of space-time itself could be torn apart. Number 1. The hot end of the universe. Hawking's theory of the heat demise of the universe is one of the most chilling predictions. As the universe continues to expand, it will eventually reach a state where all matter and energy are evenly distributed. Now, this state, known as thermal equilibrium, will result in the end of the process that sustains stars and life everywhere. Stars will burn out, galaxies will drift apart, and the universe will become an eternal, dark, and lifeless place. How lovely is that? Hawking's concept of our hot end describes a universe in which no usable energy remains, rendering it incapable, of course, of supporting life. Now this event, though billions of years away, thankfully, underscores the inevitable conclusion that the universe will one day cease to exist as we know it, leaving behind nothing but a frozen, desolate void.
What if a planet, a world like our own, was hurtling through space, aimlessly wandering the cosmos? And what if its path intersected with ours? Imagine a world, a planet, drifting alone through the vast, dark expanse of the cosmos. A world cast out from its solar system, wandering aimlessly, a celestial orphan. These are rogue planets, and they could pose a threat to our own existence. How do these cosmic nomads come to be? One theory suggests they're ejected from their home systems during the tumultuous birth of stars and planets. Gravitational tugs of war can fling these planetary bodies into the interstellar void. Another possibility is that they're captured from other star systems, snatched away by the gravitational pull of a passing star. Giant planets like Jupiter are the big kids on the block, and sometimes they can accidentally knock smaller planets out of their orbits. These poor, ejected planets are like cosmic orphans, adrift in the vastness of space. Out there somewhere, within the vastness of space, a chaotic solar system, a swirling mass of gas and dust is coming to be. As planets begin to form, gravitational interactions can fling these nascent worlds out of their orbits. A gravitational tug-of-war between a massive gas giant like Jupiter and a smaller, less fortunate planet can result in the smaller planet being ejected into the interstellar void. Another possibility is that rogue planets are captured from other star systems. As stars pass close to each other, their gravitational influence can pull planets from one system to another. These captured planets, now far from their original homes, become rogue planets, forever wandering the cosmos. Much like a speeding car driving on the wrong side of the road, these rogue planets are destined for eventual disaster. Imagine a cosmic game of planetary billiards. As stars and planets form, a chaotic dance of gravity unfolds. Massive gas giants like Jupiter can act as celestial bullies, flinging smaller, less fortunate planets out of their solar systems. These cosmic orphans, ejected from their homes, become rogue planets, adrift in the interstellar void. But there's another, more sinister way these rogue planets can emerge. Like cosmic pirates, they can be stolen from other star systems. As stars pass close to each other, a gravitational tug-of-war can ensue. The weaker star, unable to hold onto its planets, can lose them to the stronger one. These captured planets, now far from their original homes, become rogue planets, forever wandering the cosmos. Imagine a vast cosmic ocean, teeming with untold numbers of celestial wanderers. These are rogue planets, worlds cast adrift, floating aimlessly through the galaxy. Scientists estimate that there could be trillions of them, a number so mind-boggling it's like trying to count all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth, and then multiply that number by 1 billion. It's like a hidden universe, a parallel reality filled with planets that never had a home star. Each one, a silent witness to the cosmic ballet of creation and destruction. This staggering number is a testament to the sheer scale of our galaxy and the countless mysteries it still holds. These rogue planets are the cosmic orphans, the interstellar nomads, the forgotten worlds. Yet they are a crucial part of the universe's story, reminding us of the vastness and the mystery of the cosmos. Now let's bring this cosmic discussion a little closer to home. Could one of these rogue planets, these interstellar wanderers, pose a threat to our own planet Earth? While the chances are slim, the potential consequences are terrifying. Imagine a planet perhaps many times the size of Earth, barreling through space at incredible speeds. If one of these cosmic giants were to enter our solar system, it could wreak havoc on the delicate balance of our celestial neighborhood. It could knock planets out of their orbits, or in the worst-case scenario, collide with Earth itself, an event that would be catastrophic for all life on our planet. If a rogue planet were to collide with Earth, the consequences would be absolutely devastating. The sheer force of the impact would be unimaginable, shattering our planet like a fragile glass ball. A colossal fireball would engulf the Earth, incinerating everything in its path. The heat would be intense enough to melt rock and vaporize oceans. As devastating and cataclysmic as this may sound, this is only the beginning. The debris from the collision would be flung into space, forming a cloud of dust and rock that would block out the sun. This would plunge the Earth into a long, dark winter, freezing the planet and ending almost all remaining life that was left following the initial impact. The once vibrant Earth would become a desolate wasteland, a barren husk of its former self. The delicate balance of life that has evolved over billions of years would be shattered. Ecosystems would collapse and species would go extinct. The Earth, a sanctuary for countless forms of life, would become a silent tomb. It's a sobering thought, but it highlights the fragility of our planet and the importance of protecting it. While the idea of a rogue planet hurtling towards Earth might make for a thrilling science fiction plot, the reality is far less dramatic. The vastness of space ensures that such a catastrophic event is incredibly unlikely. Our solar system is a well-established cosmic neighborhood, with planets orbiting the sun in stable paths. A rogue planet, a solitary wanderer, would need to intersect this well-ordered system to pose a threat. The chances of such an intersection are incredibly slim, given the immense distances between celestial bodies. Moreover, our solar system's gravitational forces are powerful enough to influence the trajectory of any incoming object. If a rogue planet were to enter our solar system, it's more likely to be captured by the gravity of a giant planet like Jupiter or Saturn, rather than colliding with Earth. While the possibility of a rogue planet collision can't be entirely dismissed, it remains a highly improbable scenario. The vastness of space and the delicate balance of our solar system offer us a significant degree of protection from such cosmic threats. But fear not, for humanity isn't sitting idly by. A new generation of astronomers is on the hunt for these cosmic threats, armed with a powerful tool, microlensing. Imagine a cosmic mirage. When a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star, its gravity bends the starlight, creating a temporary brightening effect. It's like a cosmic magnifying glass, revealing the presence of these invisible wanderers. While this technique is still relatively new, it's rapidly evolving. With each passing year, we're learning more and more about these mysterious objects. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we're uncovering the secrets of the universe, one rogue planet at a time. So while rogue planets might sound like something from a sci-fi movie, they're a very real part of our universe. They're the cosmic orphans, the interstellar nomads, the forgotten worlds, and yet they play a crucial role in the grand cosmic story. The universe is a place of both beauty and danger. Rogue planets are a testament to the chaotic nature of the cosmos. As we learn more about these celestial wanderers, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of our own solar system. Let us cherish our planet and work to protect it for generations to come. What other secrets does the universe hold? What other challenges might we face as we continue to explore the cosmos?